Freddie Davis here, president of Market Faith Ministries, coming to you once again from the library. Market Faith Ministries provides radical disciple training to help believers become more knowledgeable of and confident in their Christian faith. We are a lay seminary in a can. Today we're going to be looking at the question, how should we deal with those who hate us because we're Christians? You know, these days, if you share your faith or if you speak up about a particular approach to understanding morality among the general public, you're going to be attacked. It's one of the very sad things that we have to deal with today. And if we do this, we've got really just two ways that we can deal with it. First of all, we can retreat. We can just walk away and not share a witness at all. The other possibility is that we stand strong in the face of this kind of opposition. Now, honestly, retreating should not be an option. Obviously, we have to take into account the various situations to determine what we do, but retreating, no, we shouldn't be doing that. But if we're going to stand strong, it does require that we put in a little bit of effort, put in a little bit of work. There's really four things that we have to do. First of all, we have to be rock solid in our relationship with God. If we're not confident about that, if we're not sure about that, then it's going to be very difficult to come across in a confident manner when we want to share our faith with other people. Another thing that we have to do is we have to take a little bit of initiative and study. There is a knowledge base that we have to grasp because the other side is going to have their attacks, and we have to know how to answer those. It's not easy, it takes time, it takes effort, but it's necessary to put in that effort and take the initiative in order to learn the things that we need to learn to be effective in our faith life and witness. Another thing that is necessary is that we have to get past the discomfort of confrontation. People that are anti-Christian are becoming more and more confrontational, and if we are afraid to stand up in the middle of that and accept that confrontation, it's going to be very difficult to witness to a lot of people. And finally, we have to practice by putting ourselves out there, putting ourselves in a position to actually share what we know. Now, there are a couple of things that we need to keep in mind as we do this. First of all, we need to be sure that we never have a bad attitude. We don't want to be insulting to people, and always stick with substance. But also, we can't be afraid to be strong. If you would like to find out more about the topic of worldview and the practical implications of worldview as it relates to our Christian faith, I'd like to invite you to check out the Market Faith Ministries website at www.marketfaith.org.